Hello people, I'm Dr. Abdullah and today I am going to tell you people about this visco-supplement injection Diart One. It consists of cross-linked hyaluronic acid that is structurally stable and helps providing cushioning or gel effect to the knee joint that has been affected by osteoarthritis till grade 3, and it also helps prolong the time needed to undergo a total knee replacement. Many people suffer from osteoarthritis of knee joint across the globe, and osteoarthritis of knee joint is caused by the torn out articular cartilage due to excessive wear and tear of the knee joint. That in turn causes pain due to release of certain inflammatory mediators and also causes difficulty in movement of the knee joint. It is not an alternative to total knee replacement, but as per the company's claim and patients' feedback, it can prolong the time needed to undergo a total knee replacement while improving the patient's mobility and decreasing the wear and tear going on inside an orthotic joint. Diart One comes in a 3 ml pre-filled syringe. If you can see it here, it comes in this kind of syringe and is injected intra-articularly into the arthritic knee joint. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more informative videos and press the bell icon to be notified for every new video I upload on my YouTube channel. Bye.